Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're doing a plan with me and my daily Petite planner for the week of July 6th through July 12th. I'm going to do a flip through of the prior week so you can see what my planning style looks like. The first 2 days of last week were actually in the April through June planner. And this is the theme that I used, an Under the Sea theme for Monday, Tuesday of last week. I really liked it. Very colorful, very vibrant. As you can see, I filled it in just because I loved looking at it, and it turned out really nice. I wish I didn't end up using the red pen, but that's all I had at the time, and I needed to make notes for work, so that's what I did. This particular week, I am now starting in my July through September planner. As you can see, I've put it in the glitter cover that came with the summer seasonal box from Erin Condren. I really do like this because I toss it in my purse and it really has been holding up very well. It's very durable this way. So for Wednesday, Thursday, I used a tropical beach theme with palm trees and the bright colors. And as you can see, I also wrote in a lot for these 2 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I did more of a pink and green theme, highlighting the blue as well. And I really like this one also. My weekend is still in progress, so I haven't filled in everything that I need to, but I have been getting a lot of things done. So I really did love these spreads for the week. So for this week, I am using the Pastel Tropics sticker book. I'm going to be trying to pull out some of the blues in this sticker book that will go along with the blue background color for this month. To get started, I put down my script stickers. As you can see, I did already fill in a few just because in last week's spread, I was transferring stickers and realized I was kind of duplicating the next week. So I ended up using those stickers so I didn't have to throw them away. And now I'm going to go back and fill in what I need. Okay, so that is my script stickers in place for this week. Now I need to put in my decorations. So I think that is all that I'm going to do in terms of decoration for now. Let me put in some event stickers if I have things going on, which I only seem to have something going on Tuesday. So let me get a box for that. This is my final spread for Monday, Tuesday. I just noticed that I actually mixed metals, which is not something I normally like to do. I have silver on this side and the gold on that side, but overall I think it's a pretty nice theme. I do love the incorporation of the toucans throughout the theme. They're really, really cute, and also just trying to bring in some of the colors from throughout the page. So it's very vibrant, but it's not too overwhelming like some of my prior spreads. I think it's actually pretty effective. I've switched out my work stickers that I used to have at the bottom for this section, and these are now transitioning sections as well. Different things for different days. So I really do like this. I'm ready to move to Wednesday, Thursday. That is my Wednesday, Thursday spread, and I do like the purple and yellow theme. Do not ask me why I went in this direction. I really like the cats, and it just spoke to me to keep adding on to this one. So I think the next thing I need to do is my work from home stickers. That is pretty much all of the decorating needed for my Wednesday, Thursday spread. I'm going to put in my scales and my steps, and then I'll be done with this page. And I absolutely love that. It's really, really cute. Gives me something for each day to focus on. And yeah, I really love Wednesday, Thursday. All right, so let's transition to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. For this page, I need to find a new theme. So I think I'm going to go with the tropical leaves for this particular day. I like that in terms of my decorating for the week. I think that turned out really cute, very tropical. All I have to do now, actually I want a couple of dots to go there. Let me see if I can find dots in here. The next thing I need to do is put in my scale and then my steps, and I will be done. That is my Friday, Saturday, Sunday spread. Super cute, very colorful. I actually really like the vibrancy of it. For some reason, I feel like my scale is off center, so let me fix that real quick. Monday, I did the toucans with, oh, and I forgot to put steps on this page. I'm glad I did flip back to that. This is Monday, Tuesday, and we have our toucans theme, a lot of bright colors, flashy metallics. I really do like this one. I think it's very vibrant. This sticker book is really like tropical and bright and colorful, and I kind of like that. It's definitely very summerish. So that is Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, I went with the purple and yellow theme and the tigers. I thought that was really, really cute. I love the way this one turned out. Then for Friday, I think this is my favorite of this week with the big palm trees and lots of bright colors. And I love the sloths. They're super cute. This is my spread for this week. I hope it's inspiring and I hope you enjoyed this planning session. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!